Hello and welcome to Southern Delight. I am Debbie and I am so glad that you tuned into my channel today. I'd like to give you a little bit of information about what Southern Delight is. Southern Delight is actually the name of my gift store. I have an online gift store called Southern Delight Gifts and Apparel. I'll put that link in the description box down below, and that way you can click on it and then visit my store. I sell a lot of apparel, and I'm also putting a lot of my crafts and things on that site, so if you see something on here that you would like to purchase, you can also have that option. Everyone, what you'll need to begin this project with is pick up just a little round. This is a grapevine wreath. You can find these most anywhere. Our Dollar Tree didn't have any of these in, so I had to go to Walmart. I picked this one up for under $5. And you can go, like I said, if you want to do a larger wreath or what have you. Michael's, any of your craft stores carry those. I happened to be in the dollar store again, and I picked up some Easter ribbon. And of course, at this time of year, they have all their Easter decor out, and they have these cute little signs, and you can do so much with these little signs. These are also some flowers that I picked up at Walmart's. The Dollar Tree has a lot of cute little flowers too that you could use, and like I said, if you want to do this on a larger budget, I would recommend Michael's and Hobby Lobby because they have some beautiful flowers. These are ponies, P-E-O-N-Y, and peonies. I'm saying it wrong, peonies. And I happened to pick up two of these. These actually have like the blooming flower and one bud on, so I just need two of these for this project. I did go with a darker fuchsia, and this one, those are the light pink. This one's a darker fuchsia, I only need one of those. And then they have this bunch of, I can't even pronounce this. They look like budding roses. They must have used a scientific name on this one, but I'm not even going to pronounce it. But you'll see these, they're like little budding roses. That's what we're going to call them. But you'll need that for this project. And what I'm going to start with is I'm going to go ahead, and these I will be trimming down, and I'm going to trim it down halfway. Here we're going to actually clip it a little bit shorter. I don't want a real long stick. This bunch of roses, I'm going to divide these in half. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 6 little things here. I'm going to take and split these, and we're probably going to they have little nodules, and I'm going to clip them on those. But we're going to be using half of these on the right side and then the other half on the left side. I think we're going to go ahead and separate these guys. Okay, I did try to put these on as one large bunch, but I think it makes sense to clip them off and go, because they're a little bit too bulky, so I ended up clipping them shorter. But we're going to use these on each side, and we're just going to tuck them in. And we're getting all those into place. Before I go out, I was thinking about cutting some holes, one on each side of this little guy. When I cut the ribbon off here, I think I'm going to just put him up at the top of this and let him hang down. Put this flower in the center, going on so far. We're going to wire these in there. But I'm thinking this would probably look cuter coming down from the top with that there. And then I'm going to take this bow and make a real pretty bow right down there. So I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to make this bow real quickly. And then we'll wire those little guys in there. I'll show you the finished product in just a minute. But for now, we'll go ahead and get started. I have a complete video on how to make one of these bows step by step, and it's a little bit slower than this one. I always want to use the ribbon that's I like the ribbon that has the wire edges on it. And I start by just folding, like maybe 1, 2, that's right about 2.5 inches there on each side. I would go front to back like this, but being this is printed and I want the print to show, we're going to take it, drape that over, and then just keep going this way and folding. And if I'm going too fast in this video, I think I did this bow once before in one of my videos on how to make a bow for a fall wreath. And if you like your bows fluffier than mine, I would suggest you buying more than just one of these spools from the Dollar Tree, because these make kind of like smaller Then I'll take this and I'm going to cut it down a little bit short there. I have a rubber band. And I'm just going to take and rubber band it here. Take that over twice. Okay. And I've left, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, like that. I've got them all twisting the same way there. And I'm going to take, I left just enough ribbon to tie down at the bottom. I'm going to take this and I'm going to tie it right in here. And then we'll wire this one in place and just fluff it out. And that just makes a real simple and easy bow. There's probably about 100 ways you can make a bow. This just happens to be one that I use all the time because it's probably one of the simplest that I found to make. And they make really pretty full ones. I mean, they give enough texture and fullness for the projects that I normally do. So if you want to go fancier, go fancier. Alright, we're going to take a quick break and then I'm going to show you this all assembled together once we get it all wired in. Alright everyone, that's the finished product right there. There's my cute little Easter wreath. And it was a really quick and easy project and I made it for under $20. Hope you enjoy and remember, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, see ya.